Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do a special request here for Neo. So right now we are trading at $8.49, 24-hour volume. We're down 21.35%, and market cap, we are up 3.60%. Um, Heading over to our daily chart, I'm going to cover immediate short term for 4 hours and then take a little sneak peek into our 2 hour time frame. But take a look at this, you guys. We had a 9% increase from our neckline, and here it is, a double bottom chart pattern. At this very bottom, we see this beautiful W coming down to an area of support to resistance. Not only that, but broke through our 20 moving average and huge increase of 9% from that breakout. Normally, 5% would be our confirmation that the chart pattern has been completed, and we had a huge stride of 9% here. Now, one of the things that we want to back test is this area of resistance that was originally an area of support all the way down to 38% of our fib. So either roughly around the 38% or using the $8.11 as a good cushion of support. If we can be able to back test that as an area of support, then price is going to come up and retest this beautiful area of $8.99. So again, a few things here that we do need to accomplish for that to happen is the MACD indicator, which does measure momentum. And the stronger the momentum is, closer to an area of resistance, we will break it. So essentially what we need to make sure is if price does a huge retracement level on a daily average here, we want to make sure that the MACD indicator does still stay within the green around this area of support at the $8.11. If we want to come up and retest this area of resistance that we saw a few days here on September 27th, another one on September 30th, and then our last one on October 4th, essentially we need the MACD indicator to grow in these histograms or these bars itself. The higher the momentum or the stronger the momentum is, then the price action is going to come up. And what we can see with the Bollinger Bands here, if we're going to see that tight squeeze, then we are going to break out in an uptrend and have that beautiful strength to come up and retest this area of resistance. The only thing that's going to happen in the pullback scenario here is it triggered a selling opportunity on our RSI around 80% and 83% of our K line and our D line. So the retracement level here, considered that we are overbought, may bring the price down so long we hold on to the area of support here. Now let's go over to our 4 hour time frame. As we can see, we made a lot of lower high peaks. However, we can see how beautiful we've been able to hold our 20 moving average as an area of support right here. These peaks here are very essential. So if we are going to be retracing down, because we see the RSI again at 100% for our K line and then our D line at 85%, we may see that price come back down. And essentially, where we want to see the price to come back down is only at the 50% area at the $8.29. The reason why I say this area opposed to this known area as a support of 38 cents is because take a look at this here. It will form a double top chart pattern if we were to hold on to that support or price comes down to the $8.20 because as we saw in our daily double bottom, a W had a huge breakout in an uptrend. If we take a look at the M, which is a double top, it's a reversal bear trend. So if we do come down to the $8.20 completion of that actual chart pattern, I'm going to show you guys here. Again, all we need is a completion of 5%. Take a look at how drastic that drop would essentially be. It will take us back into October 21st accumulation phase if this does complete. So what we need again is we need MACD line to strengthen in the bars. If we don't want to see that area of support, it needs to come up and ultimately break this high, because if it doesn't, then most likely price is going to retest the $8.20. And if we don't hold it, be prepared again for price to drop all the way down to $7.78 is our projected 5% completion rate. Doesn't mean that it's only going to drop the 5%. All we need is that 5% completion rate, and then price can ultimately drop even further than that. But again, we don't want to see the $8.20. We do want to see that nice bounce roughly around the 50% and then continue upwards in the momentum. So let me know what you guys think about this coin down below in the comments. Like or subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time.